This is a new 2015 Ford Mustang. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a turbocharger, electric trunk, Bluetooth connectivity, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Red River Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 402 West Side Drive, Durant, Oklahoma 74701.